The SC-F2230 comes with a new Platen Height Adjustment feature that sets it apart from its predecessor model, helping users improve their productivity by reducing the frequency of manual adjustments. To find the optimal printing distance between the print head and the garment, load the garment that you are printing on onto the platen. Please make sure that the garment is flat on the platen with no slack or creasing. Select Menu, then Platen Height Adjustment. Loosen the fixing lever of the platen gap lever. Move the platen gap lever all the way to the right and stop at scale 8. Press Next and then press Start on the next screen. Platen is pulled into the printer. Move the platen gap lever to the left, one scale at a time, until a beep sound is heard from the printer with the message, "The position of the media surface is too high." Move the platen gap lever one scale to the right, just before the beep sound. Press OK, followed by Done on the next screen. Tighten the fixing lever to complete the process. Increase your productivity by ensuring stable and continuous prints with the most optimal printing height for your garments.